Tonight, an effort some lawmakers believe could save your child's life.
State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall explains a bill in the legislature that would increase communication between Alabama law enforcement and parents.
Tyler TJ Morgan wasn't wearing his seatbelt when he lost his life in a car crash almost 3 years ago. Now TJ's law is carrying on his legacy, hopes to inform parents when their kids get traffic tickets.
He was just, he was a real outdoorsman. And he was a prankster. So anytime a prank was played, you knew who set it up. And he had some pretty good ones.
April Vafius lost her son, Tyler Morgan, in a car accident in 2022. She says he wasn't wearing his seatbelt. It was after his funeral when she found traffic tickets she knew nothing about. 3 citations for the same behavior. She hopes TJ's law can help other parents.
If they run a stop sign or they're speeding or racing on the highway, anything like that, that parents should be notified so that you can have the opportunity to correct that behavior in your child before it's too late.
The bill would give parents that chance by requiring law enforcement to contact them if their kid, under 19, gets a ticket. That being a single attempt to notify them through call, text, or mail. Representative Jamie Keel, the bill sponsor, says it's about parental rights.
A child could be driving your car, using your gas, using your insurance, and get pulled over, and the parent might never know about it. I know from just as a parent myself that if my child were pulled over, I would hope that I would be able to correct them and hope they wouldn't do that again.
Clark County Sheriff Dwayne Smith says it's a great idea, but he says dispatchers should be the ones in charge of making the calls.
If you're putting that on the deputy that's out and trying to manage and go to call after call after call, that's going to kind of put him in a bind on that. But I think it would be better served to do through the 911 system. That was my initial thought when you said that.
Vafius says even though she was close to her son, he never told her about the tickets.
So I would want every parent and grandparent to consider the fact that your child may not tell you these things, and call your senators. Let them know that you want this bill passed.
The bill passed in the House and now heads to the Senate for a committee vote. If it's signed into law, police would start notifying parents of violations on October 1st. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, CBS 42 News.